Hi everybody and welcome on the part 2 of my 3D printing room making. So I just finished to assemble desks and shelves. Let's see a time lapse and see you after. So now let's see. Here I make the beautiful desk for work. So a desk fixed on the walls. Here I've made a big shelf, two big shelves. Here I have two little shelves for add, for example, the strings for the 3D printer. Here I have another shelf. For this moment I have put lights on this shelf. And here I've made a desk on wheels, so I can move it so like this, and it can go under the big desk for. And here I have a little shelf for make computers. I can put 2 or 3 computers here. And for finished, the beautiful last piece is this 3D printer case. So in plexiglass, is not already finished. I don't take off this one. For this moment, this 3D printer is not enter, but you can see how it works. So one moment, because for this moment it is not finished. So you can see I can open it like this. And with a webcam here for see the 3D printer, with a Raspberry Pi server for see when I'm not here, for example in my room or another place, for see how it works. So the part 2 of my 3D printing room is finished. If you want to see the part 3 of my video, click here and see you soon.